Today, I'm going to show you another Lego how to build school Lego mini sniper. Well, let's start the video. Okay guys, so this is the first part. So I'm sure the scope is pretty easy. Just need this kind of piece here and some of these barrel pieces. I don't think they're barrels, but you need this piece here. And click it like this. You can build this pretty easy. So I'm just gonna build the layer now. The body. First you need 2x2 bricks. Stick together. After that you need these again. 3 of these. Stick together. And you need 2 of these. This from my barrel part in my video in my Russian cannons. Still have extra, so use it in here. After that, you just put it here. The 1x1 cheese slope. Cheese stud, isn't it? Wait, guys. Wait, yeah. So next, after doing this, you need 1x1. Put it here. This grabbing piece. Another 1x1. Now look like this. And grab this piece. A 1x1 brick with a stud here on the side. Only one. Just put it over here. Like this. Could look like this. So that's the first part. And we got the scope, and you need to build the magazine. The bullet is pretty easy, just need 3 of these 2x2 and a 2x2 tile here. Stick them together like this. So yes, that's the first part. For time for the last one. Okay guys, I don't know, but I think this is the easiest part for you, I think. For me, yes. So you need this 2x2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2x8 long piece, and put these 2x4 tiles in here, like this. And this is the easy part that I talk about, but I don't know. Just need you see the pieces. 1x1 stud, or 1x1, or 1x1, and a 1x1 brick with a stud in it. 2 of these stick here, 2x2s, and another one, but this one is 2 studs in it, on the sides, and it's cheese slope, cheese stud, a 1x1, a 2x2, and a 1x1 brick, a plain just 1x1 brick, other 1x1 brick with a stud in it, just one. Same here, just one, and 1x1 and a 2x2, another one of these, 2 insides, and a 2x2 brick. I'll let you see in here. This is a little bit difficult because it's too hard. It's like camouflaging in the color. So here it is, guys. If you can see, you can literally see it here in the camera. So yeah, you can pause the video if you want. So you need this 2x6 tiles, and you put them over here like this, staring in here like this. So you just need to attach that. Same the other side. So yes, and the bottom part, so just need to attach this in here and keep attaching it over here. That will work. Oh, there we go. So we're done, guys. So just get your 3 pieces. You just need to put this in over here like this, simple, and put the scope over here like this. And finally, magazine is like this. And here it is, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and the description below. So thanks. Goodbye.